I think we understand coming out of COVID that we'll always have the need for an infectious disease responsive vaccine, a therapeutic, a diagnostic. So having those systems running, the development that we talked about earlier, Howard, knowing that those processes are in place to bring a vaccine forward very quickly is going to be very important. And one of the lessons we learned through Operation Warp Speed across both administrations was how quickly we could develop a vaccine from nothing in 11 months, which was remarkable. We want to do even faster, even better.